Hey, hi! Buenas! How are you? Hi everyone, the word of the day is buenas. Buenas. This is a really easy and common Spanish word. Buenas is an interjection and it means hello. Buenas is an informal way to say hello, but it's not impolite. Buenas is like a short form of saying hello or even good morning, good afternoon, or good night. So it's pretty much like just saying the first part of buenos días, buenas tardes, or buenas noches. You can use buenas whenever, in the morning, afternoon, or at night. Buenas doesn't have a grammatical gender and it doesn't have a plural form. Now let's see a few examples using buenas. Buenas, ¿cómo está? Buenas, ¿cómo está? Buenas, ¿puedo pasar? Buenas, ¿puedo pasar? Buenas, ¿en qué le puedo ayudar? Buenas, ¿en qué le puedo ayudar? Buenas, 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 ya llegué. Buenas, ya llegué. As you can see, buenas is a really easy word to remember and you can use it often whenever you feel like it. Avoid using this word in formal situations. For example, don't say buenas to your boss. You can use buenas with your friends and family, and even with people that you don't know. It's a little informal, but it's not impolite. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Visit smelessons.com for more free Spanish lessons, and you can find more interesting things about Spanish, and you can also donate on that website. All the links are in the video description. Leave you more examples down below using buenas. Thank you for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!